Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. It's currently Monday morning and I'm at home in Germany. I've got the place to myself this week as Christian is away working, so I thought it would be the perfect excuse to do another vlog. Currently having my breakfast, which is a croissant and a nice cup of tea. I already had a coffee, obviously. If I don't have a coffee in the morning, then I can't function. So yeah, I took little baby Ralphie for a walk. Gonna sit, chill for a minute and look at some emails, and then I'm going to start my day. Oh, so I just had a lovely hot shower and I'm feeling much better. I was feeling a bit tired earlier. Went to the gym yesterday and worked out quite hard. And today I am feeling, a little bit tired. Anyway, had a shower and now I'm just quickly going to do my skincare routine. So I already used this cream from Perricone MD. I featured it a little while before. I've been using it for a while. I'm actually going to do a review on this, I think. I let that settle in for a few minutes and now I'm just going to cocktail a bunch of different serums. I'm not going to go into it too much because this is a vlog and not a skincare routine, but if you've got any questions, then let me know. Because basically what I'm doing is kind of waiting a little bit in between different stages. So I apply that Perricone cream, wait, let it soak in, and then I'll apply these, which is basically I've got vitamin C, antioxidant, and hydration. So now it's time to blow dry my hair. Now it's time for a bit of SPF. La Roche-Posay and Thelios XL SPF 50 as always. And then something cheaper on my neck. Because the price of SPF, well, it's high, I think. So, considering I use it liberally every day, I can, well, that's just the kettle. Time for a cup of tea. You can see I've got breakout at the moment. Don't usually get breakouts, I don't know what's going on. Saying that though, if I do get breakouts, it's usually in between seasons and it's going from winter to spring, so that'll be it. So I'm going to let that soak in for 15 minutes and then apply a bit of makeup just to make myself feel glamorous. So I just thought I was recording and I'd forgotten to press record. Anyway, I'm just applying the Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint with a dry beauty blender because otherwise it's just going to be too natural. Obviously I'll use more product, but I'm struggling to use this up as it is, if I'm completely honest. I've had it for ages, but I do like it, but they've changed the formula. But I must say, using a beauty blender has literally, I'm going to do this in the viewfinder instead of looking in the mirror because then I'm nowhere near the camera. Using a beauty blender has changed my life because I often didn't wear like a base, even though I just wanted to kind of like even out my skin tone slightly but still look natural, and I didn't do a base because I just didn't want to like wipe the SPF off by applying the makeup with my fingers. So now I do this, it's perfect. So I'm really happy with that. And I have to say, I don't know what the new formula of the perfecting skin tints like, but I love this. But I know a lot of people just didn't find it. Oh shit! I've just got makeup on my shorts. A lot of people didn't find the coverage on this enough, so I don't know how they've changed it. I'm assuming they've put a bit more coverage in, but I need to try it out. But that's enough. As you can see, it's just, I don't look like I've got makeup on my skin. Well, I don't think I do anyway. My skin looks just better. And then I need to go in with a tiny little bit of concealer, which I'm going to do with the Glossier. Right, I'm going to have to do this in the mirror. Let me turn you around a bit. Best concealer ever. My hair still looks really red in the viewfinder. Very odd. Now we have that. Just feel like more fresh, put together. So to finish off, now that my makeup's done, I'm just going to put some product in my hair. Normally I would put this one in. This is the Cotton Uzu from Shuumura, if I wanted to look a bit more presentable. But because I'm not really going out today, I'm not going to bother with that. So instead, I'm just going to put the 100% plant-derived hemisqualane in, because I don't want to wash my hair again later, and if I've got product on, I don't necessarily want to, you know, have anything kind of too producty in my hair, where it's going to go on my pillow tonight. So just by putting this on, it just will take the fluffiness out. This is such a good product. I've put probably about half a tube of the pipette in this, so quite a lot, more than a few drops, but I feel like my hair just kind of drinks it up, so it might look a bit greasy now, but it soon kind of dries down, and I find that it's really nourishing for the hair. So if I'm just kind of wanting my hair to look a bit more polished and groomed, then this kind of does the trick nicely. But then if I want something that's going to have a bit more hold, give it a bit more volume and last all day, but that I can still kind of run my fingers through, then the Shuumura one is really, really good. Okay guys, that's it for today's baby mini vlog. This is going to be a freshly squeezed one. So filming today, editing, and then it's going to go up on my channel tonight, which is really exciting. And then I'll have something small coming every day for the rest of the week. The only other days where it won't be a vlog is on Wednesday and Sunday, when it is my usual uploading days, and I will have a regular skincare type video coming up then anyway. Thanks for watching. If you've got any suggestions for future vlogs, please let me know in the comments below, or just come and say hi. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.